Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cecilia for those of you who don't know, and I am back with another hair tutorial. So I have been seeing people calling these passion twists, but if you're from the Caribbean, we call these corkscrew, okay? But anyways, let's get right into the video.
You a walking trophy, my girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friend.
So I have already separated my hair and added the rubber bands. I use castor oil in my roots as well as the argan oil edge control as usual. Oh, and I also had to try it out because I didn't want to be on my feet for hours doing these and they did not come out properly, so I had to try it out. I'm using FREETRESS WATERWAVE in 18 inches, and I use at least 6 packs of these in order to get this hairstyle done. I'm going to show you guys how the hair looks. This is just an extra pack, and this is how it comes. Eventually, you're just going to have to open it to make it fluffy. And for each braid, I use 2 strands. So originally I wanted the hair to be butt length, which is why I kept on stretching it out, but I was running out of patience and my ankles was getting swollen, so I couldn't stand any longer. So I ended up just doing it waist length. I also forgot to mention that I did the rubber band method because I do not know how to twist from the root, especially when I have tips on. So here I am, I'm just gonna push the needle, the crochet needle through the rubber band, and then loop the hair onto it and pull through. After pulling the hair through, you're going to make sure that you have 2 pieces, and then you're just going to split your hair, making sure that the rubber band is secured. I'm gonna start twisting. For me, it was from my right side because I'm right-handed. You might be left-handed, or whichever way is comfortable for you. You start twisting and then you're just gonna crisscross, if that makes sense. So in the beginning, you're gonna twist like sniggly sweets. I believe that's how you say it. So that's how you're gonna start it off until your natural hair is finished, and then you're gonna start twisting regular. That is just to make sure that you don't have any twist outs. And I am going to slow it down when I do the other braid, so no worries. My natural hair was finished at this point, so I'm just going to twist regular. See, it gets much faster. When you get to the very end and there's an extra piece left, all you do is curl it so it follows its natural curl pattern. had to get close up so you guys can see that you can't even see the rubber band and you can't tell your natural hair from the actual braiding hair. I didn't even use any gel or anything while twisting. Just follow the same steps as the first braid. You're gonna push the needle through the rubber band and then loop the hair onto it, pull through, making sure you have two braids. And if you want your twist to be really long, just make sure that one side is longer than the other. You don't have to get the exact length here that you want. That will save you some money, sis. Here is everything slowed down, so I am twisting one side, which is the right side. Make sure you twist it tight enough. And then you're gonna cross over. While crossing over, make sure you twist the hair. Twist and cross, twist and cross over until your natural hair is finished. Still have natural hair left. Now that it's finished, I'm gonna twist regular. So I ended up doing my edges off camera because I could not see through that camera rear view, and the mirror was way too far from my face. I mean, I could have used the back mirror, but I wasn't thinking. So I did my edges off camera, and this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah. I had to change up my lighting because the bathroom light was not doing me any justice. Now look at these. I'm so obsessed with it.